I think one of the very important lessons that the LDF government has learned in the Sabarimala case is that you cannot just act blindly without regard to the particularities of the wishes of the people and the faith of the people. I mentioned that, yes, we are all in favor of the Constitution, we all respect the Supreme Court, but the Constitution and the court serve a society where people have rather profound beliefs. As we all know, Lord Ayyappa in Sabarimala is an Naistika Brahmachari, and he has gone and taken refuge in that jungle shrine in order not to see any women of menstruating age. And this is why for centuries the practice has been that women below 50 are not normally, they are not welcome in the sanctum sanctorum of the shrine or in the precincts of the shrine, and this has been respected by all believers. Now, you may quarrel about the belief and you may say the belief is one thing or another, but the truth is faith has always had yardsticks that are different because faith rests on belief and not on law. So those who are actually interpreting the law in the context of faith have to understand and respect the faith of the people. The LDF learned a very hard lesson when they disregarded the faith of the people and tried to enforce the judgment of the Supreme Court. They learned the lesson. De facto, that judgment has not been enforced for several years now. The review petition is being heard and the LDF has changed its position and has said to the Supreme Court that the old practice, the traditional practice, must be respected. We welcome that. We believe that that is much more in accordance with the natural respect for religion that is part of our traditional culture. If change is to come, it will come through the evolution of people and not by imposition, either by judges or by chief ministers. So let us just say, we believe they have done the right thing in reversing their stand. They need to give an apology to the people for the way they behaved back in 2018 and 19.